Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So I want to make a quick video on a product that I've never tried and I wanted to try today, and that is the Dreft laundry stain remover. So I'm doing laundry, or getting it kind of sorted out, and I've got some pretty bad stains. I didn't have a remover, so I bought this last week. I want to try it for the first time. Now I really can't show you those actual stains on the clothing that they're on. It just probably wouldn't be appropriate. So we're going to create our own right here real quick in the kitchen with some products and pulled from the refrigerator. We're going to do it right here. So we'll just put a little bit here of too much. I am going to wipe this off with a cloth. Nobody would probably put something like that directly in the washing machine. So let's do that. Let's do a tomato here. Yeah, just kind of rub some of the tomato in there. Okay, what else can we do here? I got some barbecue. Make a little bit of barbecue. Put that in there. What else can we do? The grape jelly. I don't think it's going to be that bad, actually, because I don't think it's going to be too bad, really. A little bit of peanut butter. All right, a little bit of this stuff here. Might have some dye in it. I think it's enough. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over the garbage can and just dump the rest of that remaining stuff that's on top there, and then we'll take a look at our stain and we'll use the Dreft to spray it down. So here is our stain. And here's the, this is some of the stomach relief stuff that I dropped on the towel. This is something else too up here that I was working with when I was making this stain. I'm not sure what that is. What I'm going to do is let this sit while I am preparing my other clothes with the Dreft. That'll probably be 15-20 minutes, and then I'll come back and spray the Dreft on here. And just try to follow the instructions on that before we put it in the washing machine. Here we are about 15 minutes later. So I consider these to be fresh stains. So it says to spray soaking fabric, rub in, wait 3 to 5 minutes, wash with detergent, and warmest water fabric will accept. Okay, so we're just going to do this so it's nice and soaked. Okay, we're gonna, I'm holding the camera, so I'm just gonna rub it with this hand instead of trying to set up on a tripod or something. Yeah, that one's already coming out there. Okay, so that's probably pretty good. I think it's gonna do pretty well. Because I'm using a lot, though. I like how it's pretty foamy as it hits the surface, so it doesn't really take any water to be mixed with it to get a foam reaction. I think we're good. If I put too much, it's really going to. Now, I would probably not be fair because you don't want to go through a bottle on like one stain. Alright, so we're all rubbed in here really good. We're not looking for it to disappear. We're just looking to saturate it like it said with rub it in. And we're going to wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to go put it in the washing machine. So here's our towel with Dreft. We're going to go ahead and drop it in about midway. of our load. All right, we have a small load, so we're going to go ahead and put our detergent in. We're at warm. I'm going to do heavy. Okay, I'll check back when we're finished. Alright, so got the hand towel out of the dryer, got some light on it, and we are looking for our spot. And yes, I was able to spot it, no pun intended, pretty much right after I got it out of the dryer. So we were working right above these two doves, and you can kind of see, I mean, it really did a pretty good job actually. It was right there. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it worked, I guess. I was hoping that I wouldn't be able to see it, but yeah, I can kind of identify it a little bit. Now, as far as the stomach, the kind of the Pepto-Bismol stuff that dripped over here, that's no longer there at all. And then there was a spot up here that's no longer visible at all. So, it is pretty faint. It is pretty faint, but if you look closely, you can probably see where it was at. It was right, kind of right around there, I believe. Anyway, that is Dreft. I'll continue to use the rest of this bottle. As far as whether I will continue to buy it after this, I'm going to wait and see after I use the bottle up and see how I'm impressed with it at that point. But right now, yeah, I mean, I'm happy with the purchase. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.